Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Curl Rehab. In today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on the Bantu knot flat twist out that I've done recently on my hair. To begin, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. And to moisturize my hair, I'll be using the LOC method. I'll be using a liquid, oil, and cream. And first, I'll be applying the Mielle Organics hair milk. And then I'll be adding the Loreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. And then I'll be using the Mielle Organics Curly Cocktail Curl Cream to moisturize my hair. So to flat twist my hair, I'm going to take a small section as you see here and do like a normal as I normally would twist my hair. So like I'm twisting, then gathering a small section of hair, twist, gather a small section of hair, twist, gather a small section of hair until I work my way down, as you see here. It's pretty much almost like a cornrow, but you're just using 2 sections of hair versus 3. Okay, so I'm just going to speed that up because I think you guys get the point. So after I do that, I'm going to take the end of my hair and I'm just going to do a Bantu knot. The Bantu knot gives it a different look, as you'll see at the end. So yeah, I'm just Bantu knotting the ends of the flat twist. And I had a total of 5 flat twists once I finished. It was 2 on one side and 3 on the other side. So then I just let that air dry, and this is the next day. So I'm just going to take some more of that oil that I had before to keep my hair from being frizzy. I'm just going to take my hair down and I'm going to separate each section. So once I finish separating my hair, guys, these are my finished results. My hair lasted a whole entire week. What I did is just put my hair up in a pineapple at nighttime and took my hair down, and my hair just got bigger and fluffier as the days went by. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll check you out on the next one. Bye!